Ever feel like the traditional financial system is closing in on you? In the blink of an eye, the financial landscape that once seemed so solid and predictable has begun to shift beneath our feet. It's like standing on a rug that's being pulled out from under us. Many of us are starting to feel the squeeze as banks tighten their grip on our hard-earned investments. Let's take a moment to consider what's happening. Banks, once seen as the cornerstone of our financial security, are increasingly imposing restrictions that limit our freedom to manage our own assets. It's a bit like being told you can only withdraw a certain amount of your own money from an ATM. It's your money after all, so why should there be any limits? Then there's the issue of investment restrictions. Many of us have had the experience of making a profitable investment only to find out later that we're not allowed to invest in that particular way again. It's like hitting a jackpot on a slot machine and then being told you're not allowed to play anymore. It's frustrating, to say the least. But there's more. The traditional banking system is not just stifling our financial freedom, it's also failing to keep up with our evolving needs. In a world that's increasingly digital and interconnected, we need financial solutions that can keep pace with our rapidly changing lives. So, where does this leave us? Well, it's clear that we need to start looking beyond the traditional banking system. We need to explore new territories, to find alternative ways of investing and managing our money that offer us greater freedom and flexibility. And that's where things start to get really interesting, because the shifting financial landscape is not just a challenge, it's also an opportunity to discover new ways of investing, new ways of making our money work harder for us. The financial landscape is shifting, and it's high time we explore new territories. Imagine a world of incredible investment opportunities that mainstream banks might not want you to know about. A world where your hard-earned money doesn't just sit idly by, but actively works to generate more wealth for you. This world exists, and it's closer than you might think. It's right in the heart of Brazil. Brazilian companies present a treasure trove of investment opportunities. This vibrant economic landscape is home to a multitude of companies that are not only performing exceptionally well but also generously rewarding their investors. We're talking about companies that offer up to 30% returns. Yes, you heard it right, 30%, but it doesn't stop there. These companies also serve up hefty dividends. What are dividends, you ask? They are a share of a company's profits distributed to its shareholders. Simply put, it's your reward for investing in the company. Imagine receiving regular payments just for being an investor, all while your investment continues to grow. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's a reality for many investors in Brazilian companies. Now, you might be wondering, why Brazilian companies? The answer is simple. Brazil is one of the largest economies in the world, and it's growing at a rapid pace. This growth is reflected in the performance of its companies. Many of these companies are leaders in their respective sectors, both in Brazil and globally. Investing in them allows you to tap into this growth, unlocking incredible returns and dividends. But of course, investment is not without risks. It's crucial to do your due diligence, analyze the companies, understand the market conditions, and make informed decisions. And that's where we come in. We're here to guide you, to provide you with the insights and information you need to navigate this exciting investment landscape. Consider this your exclusive invitation to explore a sea of untapped potential. Get ready to unlock hidden opportunities and embark on a journey towards financial independence. The future of investment is here, and it's in Brazil. Scene script. Have you ever thought about the dividend-rich landscape in Brazil? Well, let's dive into that. Dividends, in the simplest terms, are a portion of a company's earnings distributed to its shareholders. Think of it as your slice of the company's profit pie. Now, not all companies offer dividends, and the ones that do, don't necessarily distribute them all the time. But when they do, it's like getting a bonus just for being a shareholder. Now let's bring Brazil into the equation. Brazil's economy is one of the largest in the world, and it's teeming with companies that offer attractive dividends. These dividends are a result of their robust earnings, and a commitment to return a portion of those earnings back to their shareholders. One might ask, why Brazil? Well, Brazil is a land of untapped potential. It's a country with a diverse economy, from agriculture and mining to manufacturing and services. This economic diversity translates into a wide range of companies, across various sectors, all capable of generating substantial profits and consequently hefty dividends. But there's more to it. Brazilian companies are known for their high dividend payout ratios. In other words, these companies tend to distribute a higher proportion of their earnings as dividends compared to companies in other countries. This means that investing in Brazilian dividend stocks could potentially yield higher returns. However, it's essential to remember that, like any investment, dividend stocks come with their own set of risks. Market volatility, currency fluctuations, and economic instability can all impact the performance of these stocks. Therefore, it's crucial to do your homework, understand the risks, and make informed investment decisions. In conclusion, the dividend-rich landscape of Brazil presents an exciting opportunity for those willing to venture beyond traditional investment avenues. With the right approach and a bit of due diligence, you could potentially unlock a new source of passive income. The best part? Your financial independence is in your hands. Scene script. Are you ready to uncover the secrets of passive income through top-performing Brazilian stocks? Imagine a world where your money works as hard as you do, where your investments yield returns even as you sleep, where your financial future is secure and your dreams are within reach. Welcome to the world of passive income through investing in Brazilian stocks. Passive income, as the name suggests, is money earned with minimal active effort. It's about making your money work for you, instead of the other way around. Investing in stocks is one of the most popular ways to generate passive income. And when it comes to stocks, Brazilian companies offer some of the most attractive dividends in the world. Consider, for instance, the successes of Petrobras, the largest company in the Southern Hemisphere by market capitalization and the most profitable in Latin America. Or Banco Bradesco, one of the biggest banks in Brazil, known for its consistent dividend payouts. Investing in such top-performing stocks could potentially provide a steady stream of income, making them an excellent choice for those seeking financial freedom. But the opportunities don't stop there. Brazil's burgeoning sectors like technology, healthcare, and renewable energy are teeming with companies that could be the next big thing. These sectors are ripe for disruption, and early investors stand to gain the most. Of course, like any investment, there are risks involved. The key is to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and make informed decisions. And remember, the journey to financial freedom is not a sprint but a marathon. It's about making consistent, smart choices over time. So are you ready to take the plunge and explore the dividend-rich landscape of Brazil? Are you ready to unlock the secrets of passive income and take control of your financial future? Join me, and let's embark on this journey to financial freedom together. So, are you intrigued by the possibilities? I can see the gears turning in your mind, the spark of curiosity lighting up your eyes. You're beginning to envision a future where the traditional financial system isn't the only game in town. A future where you're not just a participant but a player in a whole new world of investment opportunities. And this is where it begins. Just imagine a world full of untapped potential, a sea of opportunity waiting for you to dive in. You're not just investing in stocks, you're investing in the future. You're investing in Brazilian companies that are performing at their peak, companies that are not just sustainable, but profitable. And the best part, these aren't just any stocks. These are dividend-rich stocks, the kind that gives you a return on your investment that's not just a one-off, but a continual stream of income. That's the power of dividends, and it's all waiting for you to take the plunge. But we're not just here to talk about it, we're here to act. And that action starts with you. To begin this journey of discovery, I need you to take the first step. It's a simple one, but it's a crucial one. It's as simple as hitting that like button. That's it. Just one click and you're on your way to a future of financial independence. Next, hit subscribe. This isn't just a button, it's an invitation. An invitation to join a community of like-minded individuals all on the same journey. A journey towards financial freedom. And finally, drop a comment below. Share your thoughts, your insights, your questions. This isn't just a one-way street, it's a conversation. A dialogue between you, me, and the entire community. We're all in this together. Remember, this is just the beginning. There's a whole world of opportunity out there and it's waiting for you. Smash that like button, hit subscribe to join our community, and let me know what financial insights you're craving the most. Looking forward to our journey together.